So here is how you can delete the pinned timers on the Apple Watch. Let's get started. And if this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to help you out. Anyways, you can open up your timers application on your Apple Watch, and once you get inside, of course, you can manage all of the random things. You can see a bunch of different circles of the past timers or some like prepared options, but upon scrolling down to the bottom of this page, you'll find the edit button. And when you click on edit, you have the ability to delete most of them or pin/unpin them, right? So you can see we have the ability to click on the yellow icon next to the circle for the timer, and you can see that it gets it pinned, or you can see that I can also unpin this, right? So it will move it to like this pin section, but I can move it back to the regular one. So, it's pretty much just that simple. Obviously, I'm not saying that this is the only application you can use for your timers, as there are most definitely more apps on the App Store, which you can get on your iPhone and on the Apple Watch, which will replicate the very same function. So the point is that if you just really need some additional features or something like that, then just explore the options on the App Store, and perhaps a third-party app will get a better job done than this. So that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and sort of videos like this one. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later.